Aurora's former directors are back in the Springs Magistrates Court today. The judge will announce whether the media will be allowed to film proceedings. Khulubuse, Zuma, Zondwa, Mandela and Thulani Ngubane face charges under the National Water Act. They are accused of environmental and water transgressions. It's alleged they failed to treat underground water at the Khulubuse mine before releasing it into the Blesbok River. In 2015, the Pretoria High Court found the trio personally guilty and liable for 1.7 billion rand in damages. This came after more than 5,000 workers lost their job at the Aurora mine.
Legal battles involving this case have actually gone on for quite some time, 8 or so years, and it seems set to continue. Of course, the particular case involves environmental damages around the Khulubuse mine. Remember, the Aurora directors, of course, are Khulubuse Zuma, the nephew of former President Jacob Zuma, as well as Zondwa Mandela, who is the grandson of former statesman as well, Nelson Mandela. Two other directors as well, Thulani Ngubane as well as Raja Alam, that were the Aurora directors that took over the Pamozi gold mines back in 2009. Of course, those were under liquidation at that time. Now, the claims that have come forward is that they didn't really take care of the environmental factors within the mine, which of course claims that led to pollution with wetlands, water resources being polluted. Basically, they're facing 5 counts that in violation of the National Water Act. Basically, it's actually one of the first serious cases to be taken when it comes to environmental damages, and it'll be interesting to see, because back in 2015 already, they were already found liable in a civil case at the Pretoria High Court, where they were liable for damages about 1.7 billion rands. And remember, when the Khulubuse mine closed down back in 2011, 5,300 jobs were affected and actually lost their jobs, people.